How to model this? Start by creating a cylinder primitive. Go to the channel box and set the subdivision axis to 16 and subdivision cap to 0. Duplicate the cylinder. Rotate the second cylinder 90 degrees on the x-axis. Now combine both objects into one mesh. Enable the Insert Edge Loop tool and add 7 edges loops to both cylindrical parts. Select the inserted edge loops and snap them to the vertices of the opposing cylinders by pressing the key for vertex snapping. Do this for all loops on the both sides. In face mode, select the half curve faces that are facing each other and bridge those faces. Select the end cap, extrude them, and increase the offset value to make the smaller circle inside. Select the new smaller cap faces, bridge those to make the cylinders hollow inside. Go to face mode, select the rim faces and extrude them. Switch to edge mode, select the new border edges and bevel them. Add some supporting edges. Now you tell me,